Today we're going to talk about the job nobody likes to do, living the RV life. Stay tuned. So no matter what the weather's like or what you're going to be doing that day, if it's time to empty those black tanks, you're going to be doing it. So sorry about the wind. It's very windy here today, as you can tell by the flags. It's cold. It's about 39 degrees, but I've got duties to do today, and that is empty the tanks. There's several variables of how you're going to do it. I'll mention how I'm going to do it here on the property. I just pulled black tank, turned my black tank flush on, and let it roll for a few minutes. One of the biggest things they tell you to do is do not shut the black water valve while you have your black tank flush going. One major reason is if you get busy and you forget that you have that water running and the valve is open, you will flood the inside of your camper, and you do not want that, because it could turn into a situation. So this morning I'm flushing, and I'll set a timer on for 17 minutes. So what you can do is set your timer and watch your levels, and when it gets up to 3/4 full or full, mark your time, and then that's what you'll do every time you get ready to flush your tank. You'll set that timer, and it'll be a reminder, because it'll play a little tune. It'll play a song, however you want, to remind you that it is time to pull that valve and let all that water out. So normally it takes me about 3 flushes to do it. I'll just monitor the clear elbow that we have on our waste hose, and that'll tell me whether I'm clean or not. So I had a company reach out to me, wanted me to try their product. Company name is Pure RV and Company, and I asked them to send me a little bit of information about them, and it seems that they started out like everybody else does, knowing very little or not knowing anything about camping or what you have to do while camping. So the story that kind of made me chuckle a little bit, because I think we have all been there, is they had a black tank issue and really didn't know how to handle it, and once they got that situation taken care of, they decided to put their heads together and come up with a solution to that problem, and that's how Pure RV and Company came about. They design the liquids to help maintain your tanks, keep them free of issues and smelly situations. So another thing that kind of impressed me about the company is the fact that this product was invented for RVers by RVers. and they're driven by passion and not the profits. But their products have been tested by real RVers in real life conditions. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I will say that I've gotten no out of ordinary smells. My tanks flush just as well as the first day that I bought my camper. So I believe in the product, and I will continue using the product. So they have several products to choose from. So they sent me the holding tank treatment, the gray tank max treatment, and the toilet unclogger. So what I've read about the toilet unclogger is everybody's been there, whether you're using the RV certified toilet paper or you're using Charmin or the other brands out there. So what the unclogger does, it is a black tank treatment, but it also is a little extra strength, and what that does is it gets into your system, breaks up toilet paper that could clog your system, and it frees it up, and it's quick. I have searched this product. This product is sold on Amazon. Also, you can go to purervandcompany.com and pull it off of their website as well. It's comparably priced with the others out there, and I know there's 1,000 of their products out there. Now, when I am through flushing, what I will do is I will add water to my black tank, and then I will go in there in the bathroom and add product to my toilet, which will start the breakdown process when you start using your bathroom. So here we are. Got my holding tank treatment. And I just use these little plastic shot glasses that's what I call them. And I'll pour a little bit in here like that, like so. I will have a little bit of water in my toilet. I'll pour the product in and then flush it. So, like I said earlier, I'll go ahead and place water in the tank. That way when I add my product, there's already water down there and it already starts working. So give Pure RV and Company's products a try. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your family and friends. Until our next video, guys, safe travels.